COVID cases continue on a troubling rising trend. Thank you for joining us. I'm April Thompson.
I'm Alex Coleman. Nationwide, the latest numbers show signs of Omicron hitting our country harder than actually expected. The number of reported daily cases topped 800,000 one day last week. Now, this does not include those who tested positive with at-home test or have mild symptoms or never got tested at all. It's still leading some experts to tell the federal government that we need a new strategy to fight the pandemic. Now, some of the most vulnerable to this strain of the COVID virus appear to be children. The spike in cases is also rising among their ranks.
Those treating children say it's putting a strain on where to put patients and how to keep everyone safe. Long gone are those days when it seemed our kids were immune to COVID. As of today, 30 children are at Le Bonheur Children's Hospital with COVID.
So we peaked at 33 with the Delta variant, and then it came down pretty rapidly. And we actually had weeks, in October, November, where we didn't have any patients that were admitted with COVID.
Schools become the front line when kids' cases rise, as students gather in one place and teachers become infected too. That has the teachers' union worried.
The problem is exacerbated because when teachers are out ill, it compounds the problem for those who are there and who are well, who will probably ultimately become ill as well.
In fact, the union shared with WREG a letter it received from a middle school staff member complaining about how an outbreak was handled, saying they were kept in the dark about an outbreak among the staff, resulting in an entire team testing positive and 13 students told to quarantine. The staff member said the virus spread even further, and though some cleaning was done, it was not enough. Shelby County School Board President says schools are doing what they can, but the state has made it clear going back to virtual learning is not an option.
The appeal process is very tedious, and very few schools and situations are getting that permission to have that exception to the rule.
But the numbers are rising. SCS's weekly dashboard shows how much. The last 3 weeks showing 579 students and 477 staff members with new cases of COVID. The school system continues mandating masking, practicing social distancing when possible, and conducting contact tracing. COVID cases are rising among children in Mississippi, too. Le Bonheur says of the 30 kids in its hospital right now with COVID, 18 are from Tennessee, 10 are from Mississippi, and 2 are from Arkansas.